think so.
Without a bead, dude, that sucks.
Fuck yes. A shot.
Yes, brother. Cold morning with this frickin' wind. Bird, baby.
Tagged out, buddy.
Tagged out. Not my biggest bird by any means. Super cold this morning, really windy. We had John out here with us. John had unfortunately just had to leave, probably what, an hour ago. Nice Tom. Michigan bird, baby. Oh, bro, let me make sure I look like I'm safe, man. Morning, wasn't it, Logan?
Sure was.
We had John with us. John had to unfortunately leave an hour before I just shot my bird. We were trying to get John his first bird. He had a family thing he had to do. That was our goal for today, was to get him a bird, but unfortunately it didn't work out. So we stayed out for a little while longer. We got birds on several properties, but now that gets mine out of the way, we're gonna go check another property and possibly get Emily out, and maybe Logan's today too. We'll see. If not, we'll get John out possibly tomorrow or whatnot. But again, it was super windy, cold. Right off the get-go, when I pulled my gun out of the case this morning, my bead was missing off my gun. And this is the second time it's fell off that Franchi. I don't know what their deal is, why they fall off so easy.
Hey,
I didn't put the Loctite on it.
That's a good excuse.
It is. It is. Fuck the Franchis, man. I'm just kidding. No, I love the gun personally, but the sight has fell off twice now. This will be the third one I got to go buy, because there's no like back pin for it. It's the one screw. I Loctite it, and it was gone. So that I ended up shooting 3 times. The second time I hit him, but the third shot we wanted to just make sure that he was down. I got a little nervous there for a second because that first shot didn't drop him. But it was tough. I'm not used to not having that bead there. But other than that, it was a great hunt, cold, windy, and there's a bird down. So let's go.